Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to find pinned messages on the Discord app for PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever wanted to quickly revisit an important message in your chats or servers, pinned messages are the best way to do it. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all your servers and direct messages. Once you're in, choose the chat or server channel where you want to look for pinned messages. This could be a direct message conversation, a group DM, or a text channel inside one of your servers. Now, at the very top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a small pin icon. This is the tool that lets you view pinned messages. Click on it, and a panel will open that shows you a list of all the messages that have been pinned inside that chat or channel. It's a quick way to gather all the most useful or important content in one place. Next to each pinned message, you'll notice two options: an X icon to close it and a button labeled Jump. If you want to go directly to the exact spot in the chat where that message was pinned, all you need to do is click on Jump. This will scroll the chat to the original message, so you can see it in its full context. That means you'll not only read the pinned message itself, but also understand the conversation that was happening around it. Pinned messages are great for highlighting rules in a server, saving important links, or just keeping track of details that everyone in the chat might need later. With this update, getting to them is even easier and faster. So that's it. Open Discord, head into the chat you want, click on the pin icon, and use the jump button to dive straight back into the conversation context. Once you get used to this feature, you'll never have to dig through endless chats to find that one important message again.